Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making tiger nut drink. I'm using four ingredients: dates, pineapple, banana, and tiger nuts. So I soaked the tiger nuts overnight, put in the freezer, and then just brought it out because it's time to prepare them. So I peeled the banana, remove the skin, then remove the seed from the dates. Take the tiger nuts off the water, put aside, and then set the pineapple aside. Is already peeled. So this is me taking the tiger nuts off the water, and it's time to blend them all together. So first I blend the banana, pineapple, and dates together. So this is me putting them into the blender, and I will blend that to smooth into a paste. Yeah. So I'm done. I'll put that in the bowl and set aside, and it's time to blend the tiger nuts. So into the blender I pour the tiger nuts, add some water to make it easy to blend. Then I'll blend that until it is smooth. So I'm done with the blending. It's time to sift the tiger nuts. I pass it through the sift, got the juice, put the shaft away, and this is me going for the second batch. You can use sift bag, but I don't have that, so this is the one I have, and that's what I'm using. So it's time to put all that together into my bowl. I pour the banana blends, add in the tiger nut juice, mix all that together, package, and then put all that in the freezer. It was so yummy, very delicious. You have to try this, guys. It's very healthy and nutritious. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. So once I'm done putting all that in the freezer, I'll clean up the entire place, clean up the mess, and that is it, all done. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe and drop your comments. So lovely, right? Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.